Welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to share the 3 best kitchen gadgets that will transform your cooking experience. These innovative tools will save you time, enhance flavors, and spark your creativity in the kitchen. Don't miss out on discovering how these gadgets can elevate your culinary skills and make meal prep a breeze. Let's dive in and revolutionize your cooking together. Discover the Trend Plain 16 ounces per 470 milliliters glass olive oil sprayer, your new best friend in the kitchen and at the grill. This innovative 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser combines functionality with style, making it an essential tool for any home chef. Elegant design. The sleek black glass bottle not only adds a modern touch to your kitchen, but is also designed for practicality. Its sturdy construction ensures longevity, while the transparent body allows you to easily monitor the oil level, so you'll always know when it's time for a refill. Versatile use. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, marinating meats, or drizzling oil over your favorite salad, this sprayer is perfect for all occasions. It's also an excellent companion for air frying, giving your foods a crispy finish with minimal oil and ideal for enhancing the flavors of grilled dishes at your next barbecue. Elevate your culinary experience with our digital instant read food thermometer, an essential tool for any kitchen enthusiast or grilling aficionado. Designed for precision and ease of use, this thermometer ensures that your meats, baked goods, and other dishes are cooked to perfection every time. Instant read technology. Achieve accurate temperature readings within seconds, allowing you to monitor your food without any hassle. Versatile use. Perfect for grilling, air frying, baking, and griddling, making it an indispensable gadget for all your cooking needs. Easy-to-read display. The large backlit LCD screen provides clear readings, even in low-light conditions, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor cooking. Durable probe. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the probe is designed for longevity and reliability, ensuring you get accurate results meal after meal. User-friendly design. With a simple one-button operation, this thermometer is perfect for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. Compact and portable, lightweight and easy to store, it's the ideal companion for barbecue and camping trips, kitchen use. Perfect gift. Whether you're looking for a thoughtful gift for a birthday, Father's Day, or any special occasion, this instant read food thermometer is an ideal choice for the grilling enthusiast in your life. Give the gift of culinary precision to the men in your life, whether it be dad, a friend, or a loved one. Experience the ultimate convenience in food preparation with the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. This innovative kitchen gadget is engineered for effortless can opening, allowing you to tackle any canned goods with a simple press of a button. No more struggling with manual can openers or worrying about sharp edges. This automatic can opener is designed for smooth, safe operation. Hands-free operation. Just press the button and let the Kitchen Mama do the work for you. The can opener automatically rotates around the can, providing a hassle-free experience that's perfect for anyone, including individuals with limited hand strength or dexterity. Smooth edge technology. The can opener creates a clean cut that leaves no sharp edges, making it safer for you and your family. Open cans without the worry of cuts or injuries, and enjoy peace of mind in your kitchen. Food-safe materials. Constructed from high-quality, food-safe materials, the Kitchen Mama ensures that your food remains uncontaminated. You could trust it to be a reliable companion in your meal prep. Battery-operated and portable, powered by batteries. This can opener is completely portable, meaning you can use it anywhere in your home, be it the kitchen, dining room, or even outdoors for camping trips. No cords to worry about. Upgrade your kitchen experience with the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Enjoy the freedom of quick and safe can opening, so you can focus on what you love most, cooking delicious meals for yourself and your loved ones. With Kitchen Mama, yes, you can turn meal prep into a breeze. Sleek and stylish design. The eye-catching teal color adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor. Its compact size allows for easy storage. Don't miss the opportunity to experience the ultimate in innovation and style. Click the link below to explore more about this outstanding product, including specifications, customer reviews, and exclusive offers.